This is how to change age on Nintendo Switch. Let's say when you created your main profile or desired profile, you entered a wrong date of birth. There is no direct way from the console to change the date of birth, but there's always the Nintendo support option for you. If you hit settings on the bottom of your home screen, you will see support, and then using your phone or your laptop, contact support.nintendo.com and send them a request where you want to change the age and date of birth for your current account. They may require you to send documentation as proof to validate your age and date of birth, so please go ahead and do that whenever they reply to you. Now you know how to change age on Nintendo Switch.